one of the whips. Need to fix the pump, the gear. I know how to do almost everything, but when I'm not too sure, come to Beto's pad. Locos for Life Hydraulic. Let's go check out what Beto got for me. You gotta see this guy's car. So when if you're a hydraulic guy, paint guy, you get the upper hand in building your car when you have and know how to do all that shit. That motherfucker right there, 61 hardtop, the Ace. Woo woo. I wonder if he'll take the top off to show you guys. Well, not his top, the car nasties. This is the man right here. Loco for Life Hydraulics. This is Beto behind all the fucking madness. All the madness. That boy taught me a lot of shit. Well, not all my shit, but when it has to be like the insides of the pumps, yeah, I'd rather him do it. How long you been doing this, Beto?
Well, about 50 years, dog.
I thought he was gonna say too long. That's what I say when I do some shit.
96.
My artist Bob that builds the Lowrider bikes, he used to live on the same street. They know each other as well. Bob used to drive down the streets on his bike when he was a kid. Bob remembers, like, I remember that house always have Lolos. That was Beto.
Well, out here in Inland Empire since 90, about here 98. 98.
You originated out of
South Central.
South Central, right?
South Central, Los Angeles.
Before we came here, I told my boy, let me know what you don't want me to record so people don't see, you know, certain shit. He goes, I don't care, record everything. Ain't no tricks and shit. It got to be in you. Like, bam, game recognized game. Anybody could see him doing this, but they don't know actually how he does it. I like the way my boy has this shit set up. I'll be at the house trying to hold the pump and fucking go like this.
Come around and let them sit on the outside. They're not long enough. And then there's standard thread. These are metric. These are, you know, fine thread.
See, if I didn't ask that question, I'd probably be at home trying to figure out what to do. What was that? What did you just spray in there?
Diddy lube.
Diddy lube?
Diddy lube.
If you want to get your car up, you gotta get Diddy lube. That's how you got everybody up, I guess. Fucking Diddy. Fucking Diddy. This ain't no Diddy party around here. That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, my name is Beto, Locos for Life Hydraulics. Phone number is 909-578-2150. Instagram is Locos for Life _hydraulics.